Stille macht Arbeit. Die ist nicht mehr Schiffe, ihr Stuster. Die ist nicht gerne so, das. Die ist nicht gerne so, macht.
Oh boy, rough night last night. Had a very rough night last night, man. All right, so update on my Bitcoin trade that I took. Yeah, I hopped in a little bit too early. Did hit my stop loss, but guess what? We're back with another day. Thank you, God. And we still have a chance to make that back. Now, although I lost a little bit, you know, over my little 10%. We lost a little bit over that 10%. But I did some little calculations last night, and I know about how many wins I need to get per session. And I also know how much I can lose per session. So, I'm not expecting to be undefeated, but let's not lose more than what we already have. By this first session, I at least want to get back to like as if I would have lost 10% by this first session. That's my goal. Now, is that going to happen? Who knows? Market, is that going to happen? Are you going to treat me right today? Like, you're not going to disrespect me? Because what you did last night was very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. So, as long as the market do me right, we good. We good. Now, what I want to talk to y'all about right now is what to do after a losing session. What to do after losing and you just, especially to, I'm gonna say, inconveniences. Like the ways I lost last night, just very inconvenient. Because the trades went in my direction. But by the time it got to that little dotted line for my expiration, it just decided to do what it wanted to do. So, what to do after a losing night? First thing first, do not go beating yourself up. Please don't go beat yourself up. We're not finna put that into the air. We're not finna bring negativity into our life, into our minds. Cause you know how to trade, man. You know how to trade, my kings and my queens. You just gotta continue to believe in yourself. You can't control what the market do. You just can't. So, do not go beating yourself up just over one trading session or one trade at that. Continue to just grow. Speak positivity. Do positive things. Look, go educate yourself. Go educate yourself. I always speak on education because that's what has gotten me to the point that I'm at right now. That and God. Because Lord knows I wanted to quit a long time ago. But when I just kept doing account after account after account, it was rough. But just continue to educate yourself, continue to grow. Second thing is forget about it. Forget about it. Act like it never happened. For real. Like, that's really what you got to do. You really got to act like it never happened. Because you do not want to bring that energy into your next trading session or into your next trade. Because at that point, your emotions are going to get involved. And we've already talked about what happens when your emotions get involved in your trading. You start making irrational decisions. And those irrational decisions are going to cause you to blow your account. And when you blow your account, well, then you don't have no money. Simple as that. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't feel like funding up my account every single week because I blew it. I'll fund up my account to make more money and build my capital. But funding up my account because I blew it over my own stupid mistakes, that's a different story. You get what I'm saying here? So, do not bring that energy into your next trading session. forget about it. Go back, grow. So, third thing, and I spoke about this, I want to say like 3 videos ago. I spoke about doing things that you love to do instead of making trading a priority. And this is one of the reasons why. Because when you have a bad night or a bad trading session, it's going to affect not only your life inside of trading, but outside of trading as well. You may close your laptop and have an attitude for the rest of the day. You may be mean towards everybody else. You may be mean towards yourself. Find other priorities. Go take your anger out on the weights. You like working out? Go do that. Go run a mile. I'm not going to do that. But second thing, family. Go hang around your family. Hang around your child, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brothers, anybody. Go hang around them that may bring peace into your life. You got a significant other, go be around them. Go talk to them. And or playing the game. You know, I'd rather you get on the game and just talk your stuff and just take your anger out on them. You know, but do not take your anger out on the market, because it's way meaner than you. I'm gonna just say that. It's way meaner than you think you are. So that's what I suggest doing after a losing day in the market, and it's really going to help you. And the fourth thing is, like I always talk about, just go educate yourself. Like last night, right after I took my lesson, we figured out why I lost. Now I know why I lost, but guess what? Next time I'm in that situation, I'm going to apply what I learned, and we're going to make the money from it this time, instead of losing money from that same trade. That's what it's about. So continue to do that, continue to grow, and I promise you, everything is going to be fine. Those losing nights are going to become less consistent. You're going to have them less frequently, probably once a week. Then that once a week going to turn into once every 3 weeks. And then once every 3 weeks, you're going to turn into maybe, we could say once every 2 months, you know. Losing nights like that at least. Of course, we're all going to lose maybe one trade, but losing consistent trades back to back to back, where you're losing 10% of your account, that's going to happen less and less frequently. So just continue to grow, continue to get better. Now look, we're back to trade another day. Remember, what am I not? An accountant or a licensed trader. What am I? I'm just a black man who learned how to trade. That's all I am. You hear me? So we finna go ahead and get into this trading session. Go ahead, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Turn on those bell notices, because we coming back with bangers after banger after banger. We finna go crazy. So go ahead and do that for me. Let's get into this trading session, man. All right, so we're nearing the end of this trade. Looks like we're finna start off with a lesson. Yeah, we did. Was in profit. Just unfortunate. There it go. Spikes up now. Just unfortunate timing. It's okay though. But I will show you guys why I took this trade. It was USDJPY, and as you guys can see, it came down to a very strong support. It was also at my Bollinger Bands, and the USD and the Japanese dollar, the USD dollar and the Japanese yen are the same strength right now. Like, neither one is stronger than the other, but that's why I took that trade. So the market is volatile right now, and we're just going to try to come back with another trade and see how it goes. All right, so this is another trade that I just entered. One of my entries are about to clear, giving us a total of $40.80 in a matter of 2 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and wait till these other trades clear as well, because they're about to very, very soon. And I'm gonna show you guys the setup. But this is a perfect trade. I'm gonna show you guys why I took this and why I took so many entries on this, because I knew how this trade was gonna turn out. Like, this trade was perfect right here. So in a couple seconds, you gotta see how much I made. A total of $244 in a matter of 3 minutes for that one. But this is GBP USD. So we clearly have a downtrend right here, right? And it's still dropping. We have a downtrend going on right now. And if I draw a trend line, it would be a perfect trend line. Now, it hit my Bollinger Bands and retraced all the way back up to my 50 MA. And once a pair does that, I would just Again, recognizing the pattern. What did it do when it retraced up here? It dropped. Retraced again. A drop. So I was waiting for another retracement and seeing if the pattern was going to continue, and it definitely did, and it dropped a lot. The market tanked when it hit that point. So that's why I took so many entries. I knew it was going to do that, and I knew it was going to drop. Now let's see if we can find more opportunities, and we'll go from there. All right, so this trade is nearing an end right now, and as you guys can see, we cleared our top entries, but we did not clear our bottom entries, and that is okay because I knew those bottom entries were going to be kind of bad. But look, we're going to take some more right here, and we're going to play out on this trade because it is still at a great zone. This is NZD USD, and this is sort of the same principle as the last trade for GBP USD. It's retracing. The New Zealand dollar is way weaker, and it also has came back to a previous support, which I feel is now a resistance. So we're going to see how this trade plays out. There it goes, dropping again. So we're going to wait for this trade to expire and then go from there. So the market is pretty much at a standstill right now. See, we could get a drop in like a couple of seconds or so, but it's really, there it goes, stalling out. So we're stalling out. Now we just got our profits. We won that trade, won both of those trades, and our other ones are about to expire pretty soon as well. The market wants to drop. It's just being very, very slow right now. It is the morning, so let's see how these trades play out. But this is nothing but more confirmation that the market is going to drop. Like, I should have took more entries, and there it goes right there. Because when the market is standing still like that, the buyers and sellers are really fighting over control right now. So now that the sellers have finally won control, that's why you're seeing these drops right now. And got about maybe 10 more seconds left until this trade expires. So, oh, it retraced all the way back up. Let's see if we can get a spike down. Come on. It's okay though. Well, we still won one of those trades. The other one just didn't clear. So we're still in profits right now. I'm gonna see if I can find some more setups, and then we'll go from there. All right, so we are now entering the end of this trade, and we cleared that one. I only took one entry because I wasn't really confident in that trade right there. I was actually looking for it to go higher, but it did not. But luckily, we still cleared, and I think I'm going to end the session off right there because we have recouped over half of, well, not over half, but we recouped, I'd say about over a good quarter of the money that we lost. So I'm not looking to get it all back in this one session. We still do have a trading session tonight, and I will see you guys then.
6 hours later.
All right, so we are about to near the end of some trades that I took to start off the session, and I'm gonna show you guys the setup right after we get done clearing these entries. Let's see if it pushes it up or clear me at the top. You gonna clear me at the top? No, but it's all cool though. It is all cool because check out that snipe at the bottom. Oh my god, that's a snipe, bro. That is a snipe. You see how much we made, bro. You see how much we made. Too bad it didn't spike up, you know, when we stayed a little time left. It's all cool. I ain't tripping about it, but it is what it is. Anyway, let me show y'all why I took this trade. So boom, look at this setup. Oh my god. Hold on, let me exit out the full screen real quick so y'all can see like the full setup. Up, just cleared. But boom, oversold, hit the Bollinger Band. Euro is way stronger than the New Zealand dollar right now. Show you guys. So boom, Euro, New Zealand, boom, boom, way stronger. So that's why I ended up taking that trade, just using the Bollinger Bands. That was my main confirmation in the RSI and stochastic. So that's why I took that trade, and I should have rolled over. Definitely should have rolled over. But it's all cool. I ain't tripping about it. Money is money. Money was made, and we still good, baby. So let's continue trading. Let's see if we can find some more setups, which I think I have one, but we're about to get to it and see. All right, so I took some more entries on Euro NZD. We just cleared that bottom entry, which was a snipe, because yes, I did get it all the way down there. So we just cleared that one. Now we're waiting on this top entry to clear, which was a spike up. I wasn't trying to get that entry, but it's all cool. I wanted to be in that trade for 1 minute. As you guys saw, I did just take another entry. Yeah, I wanted to be in there for 1 minute because it looks like it's getting a little spiking. But it's all fine. I'm gonna show you guys the end of this trade though. And I'm gonna see if I can find some more setups. Like I may lose this top entry, but I'll let you guys know on the other trade. All right, so we're now coming to the end of this trade, and we did not clear either of the entries. As you guys can see, yeah, we did not clear any I can't even freaking talk now. What is going on with me? But I didn't clear any of the entries for whatever reason. Don't know what's going on with the market right now, but we're gonna stay away from Euro NZD for a while. Let's look for some more setups. Again? Oh my goodness. Yep, same pair. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just sniping it, bro. I'm just eating off Euro NZD right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm loving it right now because it's moving wonderfully. Well, when it gets to certain points, let me say that. Because it did just do me dirty on like 2 trades. But it's okay. Can somebody tell me why am I like this, bro? Why am I so lethal? Why am I so deadly with the snipes right now? Like, look. We gonna disregard those past 2 lessons. But I am a sniper, my guy. Straight up sniper in these markets. But different pair, Euro GBP. Let's see the payouts. Oh, sheesh. $100 every single night now. I feel like I'm working at Amazon without putting in the label. That's what it's feeling like right now. But let me show y'all. All right, so this one I played it by eye. Yes, my support line is at 989, but also what we have is a little support right here as well, where that dotted line is. It's a very small support right there. Didn't know how long it was gonna hold up, but I took that chance anyway. And this right here is what made me see that support. So past support that has now translated to feature support. That's why I took that trade, played it by eye, and I hopped in. And y'all saw the snipe, man. Y'all saw the profits. We going crazy tonight. We are going crazy. Let's keep at it. All right, so we are nearing the end of this trade right here. Got a couple more seconds left for Euro CHF, and I'm gonna show you guys why I took this trade afterwards. Surprised that my top entry cleared by the grace of God, but let me show you guys the profit on that one. So we made $187 in a matter of, that was 6 minutes because I had to roll over. But Euro CHF, let's go to it. So how I was able to identify that trade was past resistance that's now a support. So let me show you. This was a resistance right here. So right here was my resistance. Boom. You still see it was my resistance. Now it has become my support area. So that's really one of the best ways to trade HFX. Getting in on retests and looking at past support and resistance and see what's now your support and your resistance. So seeing if they have flipped or hopping in at the retest and taking advantage of it. That's one of the best ways that I really like to trade HFX, because that's what works. That is what works for me. And that is what I see continues to work and proves to work every single time. So I will continue doing that, but I think I'm gonna call it a night. Let's see. our profits for tonight. So tonight was a very great night, and I want to say we made back everything that we lost. All right, so now on to the profits. So we lost the first trade and we won 3. So we're 1 and 3 so far. 4 and 1, 4 and 2, 5 and 2, 6 and 3. No. Okay, I'm not gonna embarrass myself on this video. So let me calculate it real quick. We will get back with you guys. Yeah, I knew I had it right. So like I said, we were 11 and 3 tonight, allowing us to recoup what we lost from the last session. Or I may still be behind, like I think like $20 or something like that. I'll have to check and look. But either way, we recouped what we lost last night. Very, very, very profitable night. Hey, I told you, don't worry about it, man. As long as you use proper risk management, stay disciplined, stay patient, no lesson is going to affect you as much as you think it will. So, with that being said, let's get ready to wrap this video, man. Hey, I told you, we gonna make it back. There ain't nothing to worry about. But let's not get cocky, because the market will humble you very, very quick. So, that just happened. Now let's forget about it. We gotta forget about it now. Now we gotta move on to next week, and let's get ready for that. Let's get ready to make some money. I think I'm in some Forex trades right now, but I'm gonna show you guys the setup after those happen. We're gonna have to see how those turn out, because I don't know. I thought last time I looked, I was in profit. You know what? Let's check and see real quick. Let me check and see real quick. I know I'm in on 2 trades. As you guys see, well, you guys can't see, but both of my trades are right around entry. I'm only down like $1 right now, so they're still in the process right now. But I'm gonna show you guys, because this will be a swing trade, so it may take a couple days, it may take a week, who knows. Either way, we're gonna hold, don't fold, and we're gonna make our profit. So I'm gonna show you guys when that occurs and when that happens. But if you guys enjoyed the video, man, leave a like, subscribe, turn on those bell notice, comment what you want to see next. You know, if you want to see some mindset, you want to see some strategies, you want to see what indicators work, you want to see market structure, hey, whatever you want to see, I'm down to do. Let me not say that, but for the most part, when it comes to trading, I'm down to do anything. I'm down to talk about anything and learn about anything. So if you guys have any advice or anything like that, please drop it in the comments, man. Let's talk about it. Let's make videos about it. Let's grow. That's what we're here to do. We're just here to grow, especially for my beginners and things like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. I'm out.